What's up guys, it's Jomi Curls here. Welcome back to another video. Hi there, how are you? So today's video is once again another product review, a pure review if you will, on the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Butter Creme or Creme. Now, as this being a 4-part series and I have 3 other videos on my channel, this is the final video. So, we will get to it as all the others. I don't know why I'm in this accent, but I am. So,
get out of my house because you're cruising for bruising.
If you will continue watching and enjoy this amazing video. Now, on a serious note, this is another product review. I'm going to treat it like the other ones and pretty much read off the website, the instructions, and the information about the product. Then I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how I use it, how I styled it. Stay tuned. We'll get to the product review in just a second. On the website, it says, a hydration sensation. This unique therapy for chronically dry hair blends coconut creme with honey, shea butter and avocado to moisturize while helping protect and strengthen ends, especially beneficial for 2C to 4C hair types, protective styling, and helping to keep hair worn under wigs, weaves, and braids. This oil moisture mixture helps to treat and guard against split ends. Now the instructions say, use on dry or damp hair. I'm going to be using it on damp hair as needed. Can be used daily. Apply a small amount in hand, rub palms together and apply all over hair, especially concentrating on the ends. With a wide tooth comb or soft bristle brush, gently comb or brush through hair. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the short tutorial and then we will get to the pure review. Alright, so I'm just going to do as the instructions say. I'm going to basically get the buttercream and then get a small amount in my hands. I'm going to rub it together like it says in the instructions and then just apply it all over my hair. Not forgetting to rub it through, also raking and scrunching it through as well. All the way from the roots all the way to the ends and then really focusing on the ends. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And you can't forget them edges, cause they important too. Now the only thing we gotta do is let it air dry and then we will see our results. Alright, so as you guys can see, that was how I styled my hair. I really do like the product. On a serious note, I love the texture, I love the hold, I love that it actually lives up to its name, like it lives up to what it says it's gonna do. The Aunt Jackie's Butter Creme is definitely a product you guys want to invest in. I think it's only like 12 bucks. Let me make sure. Oh, excuse me, it's $15.25 on Amazon. Excuse me. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, whatever you want. I'm actually on my way to work right now, so I'm going to see how this style holds up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.